how many magazines, how many advertisements, let's say ads, how many advertisements are needed in the sample if you want to be 95% confident that the sample mean is within 2 of the population mean. So, reading this question, how many ads, that's asking for n. So I know this is a minimum sample size formula. Yes.
Slash I as true.
Within 2 of the mean. Okay, we've got our confidence level. We've got our C. And then the mean and standard deviation, because this ties back to our advertisement one from Friday, we've got the mean and the S from there. And this within 2. What is this 2 giving me? What is that within 2? Yep, so what do we call that amount that I'm going away? Nope. That's big E, is how much I'm allowing myself to be off of the mean. This is big E. That's the confidence level, 95%. Oh, mean, population, because we're finding, I want to be within 2 of the population mean. Okay. All right, so if I look at my minimum sample size formula, I'm trying to find n. I need the z-score for my confidence level. We can get that from our little table from Friday. I need the S from the 1 bar stats that we did on Friday, so we have that. And big E is the 2, and then we'll square that. So, what is the z-score for the 95% confidence interval? I want to say 1.96 also. It is. You'll start memorizing those the more you do these. What's the S from the 1 bar stat? And I think we only did one example last Friday, didn't we? So this is just looking back, so let's do it again. That sounds about right. Was that the S, 16.54? Or was that the mean? Okay. I wasn't sure.
We're taking that from the other example?
Yep. From Friday. Divide by 2. My big E is 2. I want to be within 2, and then I'm going to square that. Yep, that's how much I want to be within. That's saying that's how much error I'm allowing.
You wouldn't say 1 because like 1 size.
You could say 1. If I want to be within 1.
So like are we going 2 within this size and 2 within this
Correct.
total form?
Yep. What'd you come up with? 2 what? Any decimals? Okay. Can I have 262.74 samples? There'd be 263 would be correct. It has to be a whole number. What if this had come out 262.04? Let's just throw that number in there just because. How many samples do you need? Still 263. Because I need this part of another one, I always round up here. So I'm just going to throw that wrong decimal in there. You'll never know. To show that even though normal rounding says 262, this is sample size. This is telling me I need a partial one. So I can't have a partial sample. I got to go to that whole next sample. You always round up here. 263. is always round up on minimum sample size, or lose a point. Does that make sense? It's like buying paint. You can't buy .04, you gotta buy that whole next gallon. Okay, that's all that's in here. Yay. What do I have for you today? Flip the right page. Finish. I would think so. Let me see.
20 through 2, that sounds good.
So I was just trying to see how many I gave. I'm good here. 20 to 28 even.
That's plenty.
29. They're all hand selected.
All right, take it easy.
And we're going to pick number 20 to be done by hand, so you practice that, and then the rest of the confidence intervals can be done with the program. So I'm going to circle number 20. That means by hand, where you calculate big E by hand. The rest of it's program.
So like we need a little here.
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Mm-hmm.